to replace audio in video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly replace your audio from any video using an online editor called VEED. You can replace your audio with either a song, a voiceover, or even text-to-speech. To get started, just click the link in the description. Now, firstly here, we need to upload our audio, so I'm going to click upload a file and then choose the video that I want to replace the audio on, and then I'm just going to give it a moment here to load. Now, once that's done loading, I'm going to select the clip in the timeline, scroll down the edit video panel, and at the bottom here, you're going to see detach audio. Click that, and now we can head to the timeline to delete that audio layer. You're just going to click on it and then hit delete on the keyboard. So now we're left with a silent clip, and here you can choose to skip forward to any of these timestamps for replacing audio with music, with a voiceover, or with text-to-speech. First up, let's replace the audio with music. So you can add your own music here by clicking audio in the toolbar, and then you're going to upload your file and choose your music. Now, once that loads, it might be slightly longer than your clip, but all you have to do is push it over to the left so that everything ends in sync. But let's say that you don't have your own music. Don't worry, VEED has an entire library of copyright-free music. So to replace your audio with one of those tracks, all we're going to do is head back into audio on VEED, scroll down to stock music, and hit search. You can then search for any genre here, or you can even type in a music trait to narrow down your search. Then click the play button to hear any of the recommended tracks. Now, once you've found the right one, click the plus sign, and just like before, we can push it over to the left so both the audio and video end in sync. And that's how to replace the audio with music on your video clip. Next, let's tackle replacing it with a voiceover. So you can add a voiceover just like we did with music, simply by clicking upload a file and then importing your voiceover file. But if you don't have one pre-recorded, don't worry, you can record one directly on VEED. So just put your playhead to the very start of your video, and then above your timeline here, you'll see the button for voiceover. We're going to click that, and then once you click record, you've got 3 seconds here before the recording begins. So have your script in front of you ready to go. Now, once you're finished, hit stop recording, and then you can listen to it back just to make sure you're happy with it. And if you do want to do another take, just click retake. So that's how to replace the audio with a voiceover on your video. Lastly, if you don't want to record a voiceover, but you still need all that information on your video, you can always use text-to-speech, or you can even use the voice clone tool, and you can have AI read your script for you. So click media here in the toolbar, and then click text-to-speech. You're going to paste in your script and select your language. Now you can choose whether you want to use any of the realistic AI voices, or if you want, you can have AI voice clone your very own voice. If you want to see an entire video on that, you can click on the top right corner here of the screen now. Now for this here, I'm actually going to use text-to-speech, so I'm going to stick with that. All I need to do now is select the AI voice that's going to work best for my video. I can click play to hear a demo of the voice and then select my favorite. I'm going to hit generate, and the AI voice is going to appear below my video in the timeline. I'll play a little bit now just so you can hear it back.
Here's why you need to do a night sail on Victoria Harbour.
Alright, that is sounding great, so let's go ahead and export our video with our new audio. Click done in the top right hand corner, then click next to quality and choose your render settings. I'm going to choose HD, then I'm going to go back and click export video. That's going to take a moment here to render, and once it's done, we can watch it back to see how it turned out. Lastly, click download and download MP4. And that's it. That is how to easily replace the audio in any video. I hope you found this one helpful, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!